Hi, during our call, we've talked about how our team here at helloDarwin helps companies like yours identify and secure non-dilutive funding. Things like grants, tax credits, and interest-free loans that can support your projects in manufacturing, innovation, hiring, expansion, product development, market research, etc. Some of the main CAPEX projects that could be a great fit for those programs would be hiring and training, especially new people, new grads, interns, specialized workers, but also expanding to new markets and or developing your product range, maybe doing some R&D projects, looking into automation or AI implementations. These are things that are eligible for these funding. What's unique about us is that we combine a team of expert strategists with a platform that matches your business projects with the different programs out there to tap into everything that's possible. Our clients secure at least $75,000 in funding per year, and our success rate is over 80% now compared to the national average of 24%. As a next step, one of our funding experts would take a deeper look into your eligibility and tailor a specific strategy to tap into what's available. Thanks again for your time. It's Farah with helloDarwin, and if any questions comes up, please don't hesitate to reply to this message.